Hey guys, I'm Wilson.
And I'm Kelly.
And we are on the Mewve. Coming to you from Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore today. What a beautiful background here behind us.
We decided to rent a pontoon instead of taking the Pictured Rocks cruise so that we can kind of have the lake to ourselves and enjoy some time out on the water, because this is lake country. And so why not get out on a boat and enjoy the water? It poured rain yesterday and this morning, and by about 1 o'clock it cleared up.
Yep.
And our reservation was at 2, so we were really excited.
We're here on Lake Superior, and just a ginormous lake. So it can be a little bit intimidating maybe to want to rent a boat or whatever and come out, but it's not that bad. So we're just kind of hugging the coastline here along Pictured Rocks. We're going to go back over to Grand Island, which is across the way, and check it out as well, and hopefully see the remains of a shipwreck that the lady told us about at the pontoon rental place.
She said you can get out and swim around it and everything. So
yeah, I'm not quite so certain we're going to do that part, but
you could.
Yeah, you could.
But I was glad that I had this opportunity, because I'm not able to hike, and so I'm able to get on the boat and still see Pictured Rocks, and you get a much better view of the actual rock face from the water, which is a lot of people take the cruises for that, than hiking on top of them, because you can't really see out and around the rocks. So getting out on the water is, I think, the best way to see Pictured Rocks. So
I think so too. And then when you get on the cruise boats, it's going to cost you for a family of 4 like $140, $130, somewhere along in there, to cruise with one of them. You get a 2-hour cruise, which is great if you don't want to have the hassle of renting a boat and all that kind of stuff. That's fine. Yeah. But you can rent a boat, and Superior Boat Rentals has them for $250, I think, for 4 hours. Yeah.
And they have a full day rental too. If you want to get out and do beaches and play in the water and do some other things and spend the whole day on the lake, you can totally do that too. So
they give you a map, tell you where to go, and if you have some common sense with a boat, then you shouldn't have any problems doing something like this. And just a great little ride here. So we're going to continue and enjoy our ride here. Great scenery behind us, and we look forward to seeing more of Pictured Rocks here today.
Hold hands and go jump in.
Go, you ready?
Yep.
Yeah, we're pretty close now.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
Let's
Go.
do it. Come on. We get in, you get in, you swim up there, okay?
Yep.
There's plenty of rocks we can stand and cool off. Okay?
Cool off. I think it'll be cool.
Warm up, okay? There's plenty of rocks up there you can stand on to warm back up, okay?
All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Watch out for the kayaks, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's probably. All right, so this is the Big Swimmers in Lake Superior here. How was it?
Very fun.
Very cold, but
Very
really
cold.
cool.
You got to swim in the arch.
was super cool. I'm definitely glad I saw it.
Yeah, nice.
Because at first, like, I wanted to do it, but Cody was like, eh. And then we stopped and we actually did it. Took us a while to get in.
Yeah, we're almost here.
Good experience.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We're gonna do it again down at the
shipwreck.
shipwreck.
Yeah. So I can get down there and look at the shipwreck. That'd be really cool.
Yeah.
All right. Good job.
Yep.
Just you and me. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Let's live our dream.
All right, so behind us right here is one of the iconic scenes from Pictured Rocks Lakeshore. This is Miner's Castle. And this morning when we came by on the route down the shoreline, it was still overcast and pretty gloomy looking. So to take pictures, the colors weren't quite there like you normally see for Pictured Rocks. But this afternoon, this is gorgeous with the teal water, turquoise water, and those colors. You can really see it really well. So we had to stop back by and enjoy the view again with a beautiful sun this afternoon. So it turned out to be a gorgeous day. So also there's a hike to Miner's Castle here from the park. And I think it's about 1.5 miles, maybe round trip. I think I'll check on that and put it on the screen, but maybe the kids in Wilson can do that tomorrow and hike around a little bit and see some more sites at Pictured Rocks. Sorry.
So we said that we're going to try to catch the shipwreck right here, and so we've come upon the shipwreck of the Bermuda, and it wrecked back in 1870. It's a wooden schooner. I think it's 150 feet long, and it's evidently still intact because of the cold water here in Superior. So the kids wanted to swim here and kind of look around, and the top deck is supposedly only 12 feet below the surface of the water. So well preserved, and it's one of the boats that you can actually see on the glass bottom shipwreck tours if you take that while you're in the area too.
That's so cool.
That's scary.
It's very scary, to be honest.
Come this way, Maddie. You still see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Y'all
it's right
There's
here.
a hole right there.
Y'all are wreck hunters.
Lake Superior shipwreck hunters.
Oh no.
Scary.
When you start getting from the top layer, it starts to get super cold.
Get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Just you and me. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Let's live our dream. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Just you and me. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Let's live our dream. Summertime.
Guys, we just wrapped up our tour on Superior Tours pontoon boat rental.
Yep.
And that was a lot of fun. We got to go check out Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. Kelly wants to say other terms. I'm not sure why.
Well, it's like a combination of pictured lakes and rocks, and it just gets all jumbled up.
Okay, it's a bunch of rocks. There's a lake.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
And we even got to go see a shipwreck, which was pretty awesome. And the kids got in, and they really wanted to swim and see what it was like. And you could see that ship just right there. The water was so clear with the sun out. It's just beautiful.
It was a great day on the lake, so we definitely recommend doing this experience. The tours are always good too. They get the narrated version. That's the plus side of that, is they get the history or the geological type explanation as you go. But we had the freedom to stop and swim and look and just enjoy our ride privately on our own boat. So that's the plus side of having the rental today. So we had a great time, and I hope you enjoyed this video.